Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Frank here to do your daily calendar review. I'm so excited to see you all. All right, so as I've said, we've been working on patterns. So here's our core: sun, umbrella, flower, rain cloud, or A, B, C, D. So yesterday we had an umbrella. So today, what piece are we going to have? Did you say a flower? Awesome. So we have A, B, and C. Today's pattern piece is a C piece. All right, so let's go ahead and say the date today. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. Awesome job, boys and girls. If today is Thursday, what was yesterday? Yesterday was Wednesday. Let's say that all together. Yesterday was Wednesday. And what is tomorrow going to be? Today is Thursday. What is tomorrow going to be? Friday. Good. Tomorrow will be Friday. All right. Coming back down here. If today is the 23rd, what's the day before the 23rd? The 22nd. And the day after the 23rd? The 25th, 4th. Oh, I made a mistake. The day after the 23rd is the 24th. All right, getting ready to start our spiral review for today. Go ahead and get out that piece of paper. Your first question is to draw a picture of the animal with the least amount of votes. So cat is in red, fish is in yellow, pig is in blue, dog is in green. Which one has the least amount of votes? All right, so let's look here. Cats have 4, fish have 5, pigs have 2, and dogs have 3. So you should have drawn a picture of a pig because a pig has the least amount of votes. All righty, let's keep on moving. What are the parts of 3? I want you to write down some parts of 3 that you know. Go ahead and get that done now. All right, I'm sliding this up here because I'm going to type out these parts of 3 so that we can get going. Now, boys and girls, if you haven't had an opportunity to finish, go ahead and you are welcome to press pause so that you can finish writing your parts of 3. All right, so the first part of 3 that we are going to do is we will start with 0. So 0. Oh dear. 0 and 3 is 3. Our next part of 3, we're going to flip-flop it, so we will have 3 and 0 is 3. All right, now we're going to work with 2 different parts. So we will have 1 and 2 is 3. And then we're going to flip-flop those 2, and then 2 and 1 is 3. There are my 4 parts of 3, and I hope that you were able to get all of them because we've been working really hard on those parts of a number. Awesome job, boys and girls. Oh, it's now acting wonky. All right, let's move on to the next question. What is 1 more than 17? Did you say 18? 18 is 1 more than 17 because I can count on 17, 18. All righty. Here's my last question. Draw a puppy and give him lots of spots. Then count how many spots you gave him. Then write this sentence. My puppy has blank spots. Put that number in the spots. I hope to see some great pictures of puppies and this sentence up. Make sure you press pause so you can get your sentence done, and have a great day. I love you and I miss you.